Okay, I made a bigger hole. Here's the water leak, and I don't think you're going to be able to see it leaking. You can see where everything's wet. And again, I have another video. I'll put a link here too for the water leak. Some pictures. It's kind of a slideshow. And pardon me for being all over the place with this camera. But that was the pipe it was leaking from. You can see where it's wet. Everything, the 2x4 is still wet. And drywall. Of course, got to remove the drywall. Still have to cut the drywall. Always nice to have a nice square cut for the drywall. And that is going to be the next video.